today on In the Box we'll be unboxing the new LG Aristo 5. Now the LG Aristo has been one of the more popular mid-range or low-end devices from LG, and they sell pretty well under T-Mobile. So let's take a look at what we got going on inside of this box here. Get this open. There we go. So we have the handset. So it does have the style of the new LGs, and it looks like they have multiple cameras on this one too, which is where most smartphones tend to be going right now. Most smartphones that you can purchase today definitely have multiple camera lenses to give you different focal points. This one looks like it has two of them. Just wipe the screen off. Yeah, it feels good. It feels good to hold. It's still micro USB. Has the standard headphone jack. So it doesn't look anything too crazy or out of the ordinary. But I definitely like how this phone feels in my hand. But let's continue and check out what's in the box. Alright, so standard, we have the T-Mobile SIM card. This is the T-Mobile version of the phone. Whether you had AT&T or maybe, I don't know if they sell the generic version of this phone, but we have the SIM card here. We have the instruction booklets. So that comes with a welcome start guide. It looks like we have a SIM tool. Let me open this part so we can look more in depth at what's going on in here. Let's check this out. That one's stuck on the paper. We have the terms and conditions and the return policy, limited warranty information. Let me try to get this out of the packaging. Alright, so we have the start guide. This booklet pretty much gives you instructions on how to use your phone and set it up. Here we have the SIM tool that I mentioned. These tools are used to take the SIM card and the memory card out of these phones, which I'll show you guys in a different video, since the back cannot be removed on these phones. We have the charging base, standard with most phones. This part goes into the wall and you connect your USB cable into this to charge your phone at night or during the day. We have a micro USB cable. That's also standard with all smartphones. So this box looks like it just has most of the things that you need just to have the phone functioning. Let me try to show you guys the other end of this here. Yeah, so we have a standard USB and a micro USB. But that's about it. This phone is pretty standard. You got the phone, the booklets, charging, the SIM tool in order to put your SIM card inside of it. And did I miss anything? And the phone. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.